Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made this pie cookie that is perfect for Thanksgiving. To start, you're going to see me put way too much icing on this cookie. This is just piping consistency icing, and it's going to be the base that will show through as the pie filling. Next, you're going to draw on the outline of the pie crust and just fill in with 20-second icing. Choose any color of icing you want for the pie dish. You can also get really creative with this and do different designs. And this is just the 20-second icing that I'm using to outline and fill in. I really like the look of this tip for the edge of the pie crust, and I will have that listed in the description box. I cannot remember off the top of my head which one this is. And then after putting on one layer, I thought it needed two to just add a little bit more dimension, so I go back in and add a second layer. Here I'm covering up the part that I don't want airbrushed with a paper towel and just using the color warm brown to add that nice golden touch to look like it just came out of the oven. Add a dollop of icing for the whipped cream and you're all done. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be back in a couple of days with a new video, and I will see you next time.